So now we have officially made it on the ship. We are all settled in. And it's time for a room tour. So let's go. It's time for a room tour. So let's go. We are in stateroom 564 on deck 6. This is an obstructed view balcony. As you enter, for your lights, you would insert your room key, flip the switch, it was already flipped. And as you walk in, this is what the room would look like. Here you have a full-length mirror. To your left when you walk in is the bathroom. Standard bathroom. Like I said, we already settled in and unpacked, so we have our hanging shower bathroom caddy. This is your bathroom, and that's me. Your shower, you have the glass door, which I really love. On most Carnival ships, there is curtain. On Royal, we have the glass door. Standard bathroom, not too big. It does what it needs to do. It serves its purpose for the duration of your trip. That is the bathroom. You have a full closet with tons of hangers. That is my closet with all of my dresses and stuff in it. Next to the closet, you have a full sofa, and then to your right you have a vanity mirror with pretty good lighting. It's not the best lighting, it looks kind of dull. I'm trying to play with the lighting, but nothing is happening. But I have it set up with my laptop, my portables, my chargers, all that good jazz, auntie's tablet. And then you have this cute vanity chair. So ladies, you can sit here and do your makeup, curl your hair as you wish. We do have our 2 wine bottles. Here you have your storage, which would be your refrigerator. We have our canned juices and our pouches. If you know, you know. Excuse my sniffles, and I might sound stuffy because I am. The drawer. I use Shein bags for everything. The clothes not from Shein, but I'm gonna use the bags. That's packing cubes. So, and you have soft closed drawers. And I love that. Here's another one. Soft clothes. To your left, you have another closet with your safe. So all of our stuff is here. And at the bottom, you have 2 drawers, soft clothes as well. To your right, you have a pretty good size flat screen Samsung TV. And then another shelf for storage. So I put our lotions here, my little clutches, and to the good part, the fun part, the beds. They're not the biggest, but again, they serve their purpose for the duration of your trip. Above the beds are storage spaces as well. So I just put my suitcase and whatever other things that I don't really need up here. And that's soft clothes as well. Up to the side of the beds, you have your reading lamps or your night lamps, as well as, well, that one doesn't have it. Well, on my side it does. My night lamp and an outlet. And as you can see, the outlet has something plugged in, and I bought a power strip extension cord that is to the bottom. And now for the moment you all been waiting for, the balcony. I'm gonna turn the handle down, slide the door, and this is the obstructed view. It's not obstructed in my opinion, because I can still see the beautiful ocean. I can see Fort Lauderdale and Miami skyline, and then again the open ocean. And you have your lifeboats just below that causes the view to be obstructed, quote unquote, but it's not that bad. It's actually really good. On the balcony you have your little table. You can sit out here and have your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, whichever you choose. It comes with 2 lounge chairs and 2 footstools, which is really nice. This is my first balcony room, and trust me, I will be utilizing this space, and it's a pretty large balcony. Let me give you a view of the balcony. It's a pretty large balcony, decent sized balcony, and I love it. And that is the room tour for room 564 on deck 6.